All right, guys, we have an early look, bro. Something that I hear a lot of people saying that are better than UNC threes. I'm not too sure if I can go as far as saying that, but we're going to go ahead and take a quick early look at these joints and just checking out the presentation and everything. I'm liking them, but let's go ahead and jump into this early look at some upcoming heat, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. Your boy DaVince is back. It's like 2 days off. I rarely do that, so my apologies, man. We are back, and I can only come back with something very, very special again, with it being an early look at some upcoming shoes. And it's crazy, bro. We have so many releases coming out this year, and I said I'm done buying shoes for 2025. Like, I'm retired 2025. That's it. I'm not buying nothing else. Then we get more news that we get some other bangers in 2026, like the Black Infrared 6s, and it's a couple other ones that I've seen. I'm like, bro, they trying to keep me in their game, but I think I'm good at the end of this year, bro. With all the sneakers that's coming out, I think this year might officially be your boy last. And I'm just saying, bro, don't say I ain't tell y'all so. Like, y'all don't see me January 2026 talking about sneakers. Yeah, y'all should not be surprised, man. But again, we do have this early look. If you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell, and please, man, run them likes up, man. Every single like counts. It helps the channel. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So with all that being said, y'all do those 3 things for your boy. We're gonna jump right into it. All right, man, so you guys can see by the box. This is an Air Jordan 3. I probably already showed it in the thumbnail, but this is one of the ones that I've been hearing some talk about. I say, you know what, let's go ahead and secure these things so we can show the vintage squad. You guys can see the size tag. I'm gonna read that real quick. Air Jordan 3 Retro, Summit White, Hydrogen Blue. Never seen that on a colorway before, but you guys can check it out. Got these in the size 9.5, man. I was like, man, your boy might have to keep these in the collection. I've been very, very selling this year. Like, some of the early looks that I be getting, them things be going within like a week or two. You know, it's just for content purposes, and I'm not keeping everything in the collection shit. I'm gonna keep myself to a standard, bro. Probably like 15 pairs at max. But let's go ahead and check these things out, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam. Y'all see them, bro. I don't even know the name of it. The Lucky Short Air Jordan 3s. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360. And yeah, these things are looking A1. I ain't gonna hold y'all. All right, guys, so taking a look at the other sneaker, man, here go the right one right here. There's no differences in between the sneaker, but some early vibes that it's giving me, man, is the Craft Ivories, in the sense that it has like that sail midsole, and then upper, you kind of got that like true white, and the leather is actually pretty good, but like this year, they've been pretty consistent with the leather quality. I feel like last year, the black cement 3s, I probably was a little bit too critical on them joints. I was like, they should have gave us some buttery leather, like some shattered backboard or something like that. But now thinking about it, it was actually some decent quality, man. So like over the past couple years, we've been getting some nice, consistent leather quality. Of course, you know, they've been running with this whole sail midsole thing. I don't know how people was, you know, still liking it, but it seems like we've been getting, you know, some sail on the midsole of our 1s, our 3s, our 4s. It's just like a bunch of sail that we've been getting, man. But you guys can see that Lucky Short or that UNC blue on the back, heading towards, you know, the UNC days for Michael Jordan. And then something that I peeped earlier, shouts out to the bro, it has Air Jordan on the back of the tongue, along with, I think it's 87 and 88, and then size extra large. So I'm guessing that's what, you know, the size Michael Jordan wore for his Lucky Shorts that he wore under all of his uniform. I think every game that he played, he wore like his shorts underneath. I'm not sure how true that was, but I guess that's like something that's been talked about. But you guys can peep that out right there. You got the XL along with the 87 and 88. Taking a look at the heels, you guys can see again, you do have the Jumpman right here, along with this like kind of rugged suede on the back right here, kind of, you know, going straight into the midsole with that Lucky Short blue. Thought that was pretty clean. And then you do have the, what's this, like a Mystic Blue or something like that, or maybe that Hydrogen Blue that was mentioned in the size tag. It has the Jumpman on the tongue. So these joints are scheduled to release February the 22nd. Retail tag is $200. Thankfully, they, you know, upcharge these things to $210, $220. We have been seeing that a lot lately. I think even the black metallic 5s are retailing for $210. Like, why the extra $10? I don't know, but these are staying with the $200 retail tag. Just give you guys a quick little 360, man. Just peep these things, check them out. Go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section, man, how you feeling about these. I ain't gonna lie, bro, this is one of the ones, like, you know, it could be a cop, but it's nothing like a necessity. It's not a need, it's not a must cop. That's just my personal take. But you guys let me know how you feel about them. And I do think people will be buying these because it is, you know, got that UNC blue on there. People love the UNC blues that dropped back in like I think it was like 2020 or 2021, one or two, but them things was crazy. Couldn't find them nowhere, put in all my raffles, L after L. And I think I paid resale for them. And then eventually I just let them things go because they're going for like I think it was like $350 or $400, man. But these can be a close second. If you don't want to spend $400, you can go out there and grab these Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts releasing February 22nd. Retail tag is $200, man. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, like I said, they've been running with that sale midsole. I think the first one, probably not the first one, don't quote me, but the first one I can remember off the top of my head is these Reimagined 3s. Super clean. I still got like 3 pairs of these in the collection. I've been rocking this pair, got a couple on ice. But you guys can see, I've been putting some damage to these guys right here. But again, got the sale on the midsole. You've had a sale on the Nike Air on the back. And then again, you guys can see, bro, they've been running with this sale midsole for some time now. Is it time for Nike to retire the sale midsole? Or y'all cool with them continuing to, you know, run with this whole sale age, you know, sneaker theme? I don't know how y'all feel about it, but please let me know in the comment section, man. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Again, one quick last 360, Lucky Short, Air Jordan 3s. Be sure to hit you guys with a lot of B-roll of these. I'm gonna put these straight to you. I might put these on for you. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I ain't got no UNC 3s in the collection right now, so these joints might be a keeper. I don't know. Y'all don't hold me to it, but if I see a reviewing on feet, y'all know these things are staying in the collection. But again, make sure you guys hit that like button, sub to the channel, run the comments up, let me know what you're gonna be copping, and let me know specifically if you will be copping these Lucky Short Air Jordan 3s. Come out after the bread ones, come after the black toes, come after the black metallic 5s, after the galaxies. So these might get pushed to the back burner, but you just never know when it comes to UNC, the UNC colorway. And again, it's another clean Air Jordan 3, man. So again, let me know in the comment section. I appreciate all the support. Again, thanks so much for tapping in. With all that's being said, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.